Azure Synapse Orchestration is a powerful tool that enables you to manage and coordinate complex data pipelines and workflows in the cloud. In this guide, we will explore what Azure Synapse Orchestration is and how it works. Firstly, Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that brings together enterprise data, warehousing, and big data analytics into one service. It allows you to ingest, process, and analyze large volumes of data from various sources. Azure Synapse Orchestration is a key component of this service and is used to manage the flow of data through the system. At its core, Azure Synapse Orchestration is about creating and managing pipelines, which are a series of activities that extract, transform, and load data from various sources into a centralized repository. These pipelines can be scheduled to run automatically at regular intervals or triggered manually as needed. To create a pipeline in Azure Synapse, you start by defining the activities that make up the pipeline. These activities can include data ingestion, data transformation, and data loading. You can also add dependencies between activities to control the flow of the pipeline. Once you have defined the activities and dependencies, you can deploy the pipeline and schedule it to run. Azure Synapse provides a range of scheduling options, including one-time runs and recurring schedules. One of the key benefits of Azure Synapse Orchestration is its ability to handle complex workflows. For example, you can use Azure Synapse to orchestrate the movement of data from multiple sources into a centralized data warehouse. You can also use it to manage the processing of large volumes of data for machine learning and analytics workloads. Best practices for using Azure Synapse Orchestration include monitoring and logging pipeline activity to ensure that issues are identified and resolved quickly. You should also use version control to track changes to pipelines and collaborate with other users. In terms of practical examples, Azure Synapse Orchestration can be used in a variety of scenarios, such as data warehousing and business intelligence, data integration, and data science. For instance, you can use Azure Synapse to load data from multiple sources into a centralized data warehouse and then transform and analyze the data to gain insights. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Orchestration is a powerful tool for managing and coordinating complex data pipelines and workflows in the cloud. By following best practices and using Azure Synapse Orchestration effectively, you can streamline your data workflows and gain deeper insights into your business.